Kakoro wakalo boda nyakoro magajuang atiri nyake piny mar Ethiopia kama jatenda piny Kenya William Ruto oseobede migepe mochung'ne weche omenda e piny mangima kuom badhore golo omenda ne chopo singo mar kedo kod lokruok chal mar kor lwasi ahinya ne pinje ma pod dongore koting'o Afrika. Koloso tenge maromo madhi nyime Addis Ababa, jatend piny okoni dwaro nitie matwak ewi kaka ichiwo sire kedo kod lokruok chal kor lwasi koting'o midhiero mar oro ma omako tung' pinje Afrika. Ruto lero ni ne ojuang pinje ma pod dongore sani piny ngima biro bedo matek kata kama tek kaluwore kod midhiero mamedore. E kinde no bende jatend piny owacho ni piny Kenya oikore maneno ni kwe obede piny Kongo kaluwore kod winjruok manoketi kod jotend pinje Afrika ma ugwe.
It is scientifically proven that the current situation, the drought situation in Kenya, in other parts of the globe, in other parts of Africa, is as a result of climate change. It is the reality. The situation is getting worse. 6 million people in Kenya are faced with severe drought. Before I came here on Friday, we had a big meeting with development partners on what the Kenya government is doing. We are rerouting. We are reorganizing our budget. We have already spent close to 30 billion Kenya shillings on feeding, on accessing food for livestock, on water tracking. We are going to reorganize our budget some more because the situation is not getting better, the situation is getting worse. Kenya is ready to do what we agree as the East African heads of state. We had a meeting on Saturday, we agreed on the timelines. It is true, Kenya is the only country that has deployed in DRC. It was agreed that 5 countries deploy, only Kenya has deployed. We are waiting and we have agreed that by end of this month, all the other countries will deploy. We have agreed on a metrics of deployment. We have agreed on a course of action. We have agreed that this military intervention is going to be in parallel with a political engagement of the combatants on the ground, M23 and all the other fighting forces, so that we can give ourselves the best opportunity to succeed.